Welcome to brack-I-O-plexus, a digital nerve center for connecting human interfaces to robotic arms. Once you've opened the program, there are three main steps to complete to get the arm moving. The first step involves connecting to the input and output devices that you would like to use in your mapping. For input devices, this version includes support for Xbox controllers, Myo armbands, and keyboards. For output devices, this version includes support for the Bento Arm, which uses Dynamixel servos. Once you've connected to the device, you can then select whichever buttons, channels, or keys that you would like to show up in the Mapping tab. As an example, I will show how to map from a single Xbox axis to the opening and closing of the hand. The second step involves setting the mapping. For each degree of freedom, you will need to select an input device, output device, and mapping. I'll talk more about the mapping in a sec. The third step involves turning on the torque to the arm and making sure it is in the run state. You can pose the arm by turning the torque off and on, and suspend the arm if you want to temporarily disconnect the inputs from the outputs so that it holds its position but does not move. Jumping back to the Mapping tab, in this version, the only available mapping option is first to S-min, also known as first past the post, which is a common mapping used in commercial robotic prostheses and joysticks. The arm will move once one of the signals passes the minimum threshold, and a larger signal will make the joint move faster. If necessary, you can also boost the signal by adjusting the gain or change the proportional range of the mapping using the S-min and S-max thresholds. Once you've set up a mapping, you can easily save it as a profile. We've already made a bunch of profiles for you as a starting point. For example, this is a mapping for controlling all of the joints on the arm using the Xbox controller. Another profile that we have available is for sequentially controlling each joint on the arm using a single pair of muscle electrodes on the Myo armband. Here I am co-contracting my muscles to switch between joints. We plan to add support for more devices in the future, including the handy hand. Let us know on our forums if there are particular devices or features that you would like added to the software. Catch you later!